Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. In today's video, I'll be guiding you on how you can size YouTube banner. And to make the YouTube channel formation size, we can use many different applications. You can use the editing applications such as PixArt, CapCut, InShot, Canva and many other. Among them, I'll just go ahead and choose Canva application. Now once you open the Canva application, you'll be appear with this type of screen interface. You can just go ahead and tap on the plus icon which is appear on the center of the screen, and here you can see different options. You can just go ahead and tap on customize size, and here you can just add the height and the width of the banner size, and once you do that, it will just automatically create the size for the YouTube banner, and you can just go ahead and make any kind of video or the thumbnails using that banner size. So once it's done, you are good to go. So if you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.